subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Now if you all remember the previous video, we learnt about inside and outside concept. Today we will learn another concept, comparison between two objects. For big and small, we use bigger and smaller. Let's see the example. There are two balls. The blue ball is bigger than the yellow ball. Let's see the another example. There are two cars. The black car is smaller than the red car. Let's see in the textbook. Page number 3. Topic is bigger and smaller. Tick right the bigger. There are two animals. One is hippo and another is puppy. The hippo is bigger than the puppy. Let's see the another example. Tick right the smaller. There are two leaves. The second leaf is smaller than the first leaf. Let's see the another example. There are two animals, squirrel and the cow. The squirrel is smaller than the cow. Let's see the another example. Tick right the smaller tire. There are two tires. One is small and another is big. The first tire is smaller than the second tire. When we are comparing more than two objects, for big and small, we use biggest and smallest. Let's see with the example. There are three balls. The blue ball is the biggest among three of them. Let's see the another example. There are three cars. The black car is the smallest among the three of them. Let's see in the textbook, page number 4. Topic is biggest and smallest. Tick right the smallest tree. There are three trees. The first tree is the smallest among three of them. Let's see the another example. Tick right the biggest animal. There are three animals. The elephant is the biggest among three of them. Let's see the another example. Tick right the smallest fruit. The cherry is the smallest among three of them. Let's see the another example. Tick right the biggest bubble. There are 5 bubbles. The last bubble is the biggest among the other bubbles. Topic number 3 is top and bottom. Let's see with the example. There are 3 boxes, purple, white and yellow. The purple box is on the top, the white box is in the middle and the yellow box is at the bottom. Let's see the another example. There are 3 blocks. The yellow block is on the top, the blue block is in the middle and the pink block is at the bottom. Let's see in the textbook, page number 5. Topic is top and bottom. The boy who wearing the orange t-shirt is on the top of the slide and the another 2 children who wearing green and yellow t-shirt are bottom of the slide. Let's see another example. There are one tree. The bird is on the tree and the cat is at the bottom. Let's see another example. Tick right the pot on the top. There are 3 pots. The first pot is on the top. Let's see the another example. Tick right the animal at the bottom of the stairs. There are 2 animals, cat and puppy. The puppy is at the bottom of the stairs. Let's see the another topic is nearer and farther. Comparison between two objects or person. For near and far, we use nearer and farther. Let's see with the example. There are two animals, horse and the dog. The horse is nearer to the house and the dog is farther from the house. Let's see in the textbook, page number 6. Topic is nearer and farther. Tick right the bird nearer to home. There are two birds. The pink bird is nearer to the home. Let's see the another example. Tick right the cat farther from the tree. There are two cats. The yellow cat is farther from the tree. Next topic is nearest and farthest. When we are comparing more than two objects or person, we use nearest and the farthest. Let's see with the example. There are three animals. The dog is the nearest to the house and the cat is the farthest from the house. Let's see in the textbook, page number 7. Nearest, the topic is nearest and farthest. The girl who is wearing pink dress is the farthest from the swing and the boy is the nearest to the swing. Next, tick right the tree nearest to the bird. There are three trees. The last tree is the nearest to the bird. I hope you understand the concept with the example. Thank you. Bye-bye.